In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate your Wix website with Google Search Console. By following these instructions, you'll gain valuable insights regarding your site's performance on Google, which can help improve its visibility and reach. Let's get started. First, you want to ensure you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Open Chrome and head over to Google Search Console. Log in with your Google account. This could be your regular Gmail account. Once logged in, look around the page. It has several options, but what we want to focus on is the Add Property button. This feature allows you to connect Google Search Console to your Wix website. Click on it, then carefully type in your Wix website's URL. Here, accuracy is key, as even a tiny mistake in the URL can cause issues later on. Next, you'll be asked to choose a verification method. This is an important step because it confirms to Google that you own the website. Among the different methods offered, selecting the HTML tag option is highly recommended, mainly for its simplicity and effectiveness. When you choose the HTML tag method, Google will generate a unique verification code for your website. This verification code is what we'll use in Wix to connect your site to the console. Copy this verification code carefully. Make sure you include the entire code without missing any part of it, as it's crucial for the next steps. Now open a new tab and navigate to your Wix website's editor or dashboard. Here you'll find an option labeled SEO. Click on it, and within the SEO settings, look for the section called Custom Code. This is where you'll need to paste the verification code we copied earlier. Make sure to paste it in the header section. This particular placement is important because it allows the code to run immediately when your website is loaded, giving Google the verification it needs to authenticate your site. After you've pasted the code, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that the code is actually implemented and not just sitting there in the editor. Once that's done, head back to the Google Search Console tab. Now that you've added and saved the verification code in Wix, you can click on the Verify button in the Search Console. Google will now check the verification code in the site's header. If everything's been set up correctly, your Wix site will successfully link to Google Search Console. That's pretty much it. You have now connected your Wix website to Google Search Console, giving you access to invaluable data that can help you optimize your site's performance. Keep exploring Google Search Console to discover all the ways it can enhance your website's visibility on Google searches. Thanks for watching, and happy website optimizing!